Shall I shine? Mastering offers in English with shall I. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will delve into an important aspect of English conversation: making offers using shall I. This is a key structure to use when offering help or suggesting actions. Remember, it's not just about saying words, but also about enhancing your ability to communicate effectively and sound more natural in English. Shall I is a structure used to make suggestions or offer assistance. It's a polite, formal way to propose a future action where you, the speaker, are volunteering to do something. For instance, shall I open the window? Shall I make some coffee? This section is where we explore using shall I with various verbs. This structure can be used with many action verbs. Remember to follow this structure: shall I plus base form of verb. Here are some examples to illustrate this. Shall I drive you to the airport? Shall I prepare dinner tonight? Shall I turn off the lights? Shall I pick up the kids from school? See how the structure works. The key point is the flexibility of shall I when used with different verbs. Now that you know how to make an offer using shall I, let's look at the appropriate responses. If someone asks you, shall I help you with your luggage? How would you respond? If you want to accept the offer, you can say, yes, please. Or, that would be great. Thank you. If you want to decline the offer, you can say, no, thank you. Or, I'm fine, but thanks for offering. Understanding how to respond to a shall I offer is equally important as knowing how to make the offer. There you have it. You now have a better understanding of using shall I with different verbs to make offers. Practice using shall I in various contexts to get comfortable with it. Remember, language learning is all about practice and application. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.